Hey kids, Mr. Little again. Hey, this time around I wanted to go over the oral accommodation for our quiz that we'll be taking this week. It is over gravity and rotation. So I will go ahead and address that. Once you click on the link, you'll fill in your first and your last name as well as your class period, which is right here. You will go ahead and start answering the questions. The fours, and I think really before I get to the questions, not sure how you do it. It might not be a bad idea to just pull out a piece of paper, go ahead and write down the answers. That way, when you're plugging in the information, you're making sure that you're putting in the correct answer. Because I know I've had some kids in the past that based on, if they're tabbing through it, sometimes it will change the answers. But if you write it down, you can go ahead and just kind of do a self-check, make sure that you are putting in the appropriate answer. So for number one, the force of blank keeps the Earth and the other planets of the solar system in orbit around the sun. Is it convection current, push and pull, gravity, or the dark side? Next question is a numeric response, and it will have a decimal on this one. The Earth is tilted on its axis at blank degrees. Next one. The spinning of the Earth on its axis, as seen from above a planet's pole, is called what? And there's the diagram. Is it going to be gravity, rotation, revolution, or none of the above? Next one. Day and night is caused by the Earth revolving around the sun, the tilt of the Earth on its axis, the spinning of the Earth on its axis, or the sun rotating around the Earth. Next question. How many hours are in an Earth's entire day? 0, 6, 12, or 24? Next question. The diagram below shows that the Earth blank counterclockwise on its axis, right here, and blank counterclockwise around the sun. Which terms are appropriate? Revolves and rotates? Both are rotating? Rotates, revolves? Or both are revolving? Next question. The blank of the Earth on its axis causes blank. So again, another two-part question. Is it revolution, day and night? Revolution, seasons? Rotation, day and night? Or rotation, season? Next question. Which location on the diagram below will experience sunrise next? Will it be location U, location X, location Y, or location Z? Next question. Why are there not always 12 hours of daylight and 12 hours of darkness everywhere in the world each day? Because of Earth's tilt, there is always 12 hours of daylight and 12 hours of darkness each day. Because the Earth is revolving around the sun, there is always 12 hours of daylight and 12 hours of darkness each day. Because of the Earth's tilt, the amount of daylight varies throughout the year. Or because the sun is rotating around the Earth, the amount of daylight varies throughout the year. Which locations on the diagram are experiencing night? Location U only? Location X only? Location Y only? Location Z only? Both locations U and X? Or both locations Y and X? Make sure once you are finished that you click the submit button. Otherwise, it will show up as ungraded and you may have to do it all over again. This concludes the gravity and rotation quiz.